The Fox and the Goat. A fox had been hunting for food. He had been wandering around for long, in search of food without success. He was feeling so hungry that he lost his concentration. He failed to notice where he was going. In fact, he didn't see that there was a deep ditch in the mountainside. Suddenly, he found himself slipping over the edge of the ditch, and he couldn't get any foothold. The gravel made the edge very slippery, and before he could grab hold of anything, he crashed down. Bruised and hurt, he scrambled to his feet and found himself stuck in the ditch. There were no footholds by which he could reach the top. He tried to clamber up the sides, but here too there was loose gravel. He kept slipping back. Exhausted, he lay down in despair, wondering how he was going to get out of the pit. "Hello," he called. "Is there anyone up?" But there was no reply. There was no one else to help him. After a long time, he sat up as he heard some rustling outside the mouth of the ditch. A head peered over the edge of the pit. It was a goat. "Ah, finally I can get out," thought the fox. "I'll have to make a fool of this stupid goat." "Hello," he said aloud cheerfully. "What are you doing down there?" asked the goat. "Don't you know?" said the cunning fox. "They have said that there will be a terrible drought in the land." "What has that got to do with you in the ditch?" asked the goat. "Ah, I have found water here, and the water is the finest I have ever drunk," replied the crafty fox. "Why don't you join me here? We'll have enough water during the drought." The goat hardly thought about it and jumped into the ditch, trusting the fox. In a flash, the fox had climbed onto the goat's back. Before the goat could recover from her surprise, the fox leapt from the tip of the goat's horns right out of the pit. "Goodbye, goat," called the fox, grinning at her. "You are really too trusting." The foolish goat realized where she had got into, and the fox to help her out. But the crafty and ungrateful fox was already on his way to the wood. The fox mischievously blamed the goat for not thinking on how to get out before jumping in. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.